Hello, everybody. Welcome again to another episode of Everything from the Wheelchair Cooking Show. It's me, Kenneth, your host. Today, I'm gonna show you the cheap way of cooking soul food. Before I get started, don't forget to go get my book, More Than a Wheelchair by Kenneth Poole. You can order this book on Barnes and Nobles and Amazon. Look, one of my fans made me a copy of it. Y'all see it up there on the wall? Yeah. So right now this is making soul food on the, but you don't gotta. It's good to have the regular fresh greens and stuff. But if you don't have the kind of money to get that, you gotta get in the can. Like I got the Glory green beans. They was $1.99. I'll put them in here. And it's all about how you season them up. All about how you season them up. I have my sweet potatoes right here. I'm gonna have my sweet potatoes right there. And I'll put them in there. Get it a little late, but late's better than never. Okay, I got my butter right here. I'm gonna put some butter in there. My sweet potatoes. Butter now, there right there. Take it out. Right there. Okay, what I'm gonna do, my green beans, I'm gonna put an onion in there. A sweet onion in with my green beans. A red onion. Them in there with my green beans. Alright, now I got them going. Stir my green beans up. And it's all about seasonal. My seasoned salt. Okay, got my seasoned salt right here. Seasoned salt on there. My black pepper. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna put my dinner rolls in here. Now, me living by myself, I'm only gonna put 3 in there for me. 3 in there for me. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna put some butter on here. Like I always say, this show might not be for you, but you don't understand how many people on a fixed income and don't have the money to do what they want to do. You know, my green beans was $1.99. My dinner rolls was $1. Sweet potatoes was $1. Okay, my cutting board over here. Some in my chuck sirloin ribs was $4.14, but it was like 6 in a pack. Show you these, okay? Cut these up. Cut them up. gonna let these cook. I'm gonna barbecue them though. I'll put the barbecue sauce on that layers. Alright. Put them in there like that. Cutting board. Some more water in here. Season them up real good. Okay, season up. Put that over there. I'm gonna put it in the oven. Okay. Okay. Give me a plate. Some more butter in here. Alright. Now my sweet potato, I like I'm put raisin in mine. You can put a raisin there, you can put a some people put walnuts in theirs. Some people put raisins in theirs. I'm trying to think of that white stuff. They put in there. They put in their sweet potatoes. Okay. Stir it up. Okay. Put some brown sugar in mash. This out of the can. Brown sugar in there. Okay, all right. Thank y'all for watching my show, tuning in, and telling people about me. Alright. Okay, got that going. So now it's time for this right here. Okay. Y'all know I said I was gonna make it barbecue. my soul food. Okay. Sweet potatoes. Green beans. Okay. All right. Cinnamon rolls. So when you're cooking on a budget, you don't have the money to go buy the fresh stuff. You buy the cans, it's a little cheaper. It's all about how you mix it up and how you season it. It's all about you, how you doing it. And this me, Kenneth, cooking on a budget. How I make soul food, how I make this soul food. You know, sometimes I use fresh, sometimes I use the can, but my show is all about teaching people how to cook on a budget and how to budget their money. And with that being said, if you know anybody want to get on my show or tell their testimony or talk about their business or what they done, give me a shout out and I'll put them on my show. And leave me a comment. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Go get my book, More Than a Wheelchair. Amazon, Barnes & Noble. Support my friend Scoob, his clothing company, Chain Gang Clothes. And so I'm gonna sit back and groove. Bless y'all. Like I always say, if you want somebody to support what you're doing, support what the next person's doing, especially if it's positive. Bye.